Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial where you will learn how to convert PDF to Word document and also how to convert Word to PDF. So firstly, let's see how to convert PDF to Word. Let's open our Microsoft Word, then go to File. So open, select Computer, then we will open our PDF. So browse, here it is. Select your PDF document, then click on Open. You can click OK. Here it is, guys. So now your PDF has converted into Word. So you can change any text or you can modify your PDF. Change it to another color. Now what we will do is we will save it to PDF again. I can save it as Word itself. So as you can see, it is Word document, or I can convert it into PDF again. So what we will do is we will convert this Word document into PDF. I will put the name to CV PDF, and then on Save As type, you need to select PDF. So you can also optimize it. As you can see, we have standard and minimum size. So I will select standard, then click on Save. So here we have our PDF. As you can see, I have changed the name. What I will do is I will save this word also. So I will put it CV Word and save. So as you can see, firstly it was Christopher Morgan, and then we have changed it to Christopher Molly. So you can change your PDF. You can change any text here. We have also changed the color. So here it is, guys. Now let's see how we can also export it in different file format. So click on File, and then you will get Export. So here, as you can see, we can create PDF and XPS document. So if you click here, it will automatically create the document. We can also change the file type. So if we click on change file type, we can select any other document file type that we can save our document. So here it is, guys, and kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to like this video and share it. Thank you.